Hello everyone, welcome back. So previously we had discussed about the history of chess in brief and also about the benefits of chess, and we also discussed about the chessboard, right? How chessboard can be considered as a field where the actual war happens, right? We discussed about the files, which are vertical lines. The files are represented by alphabets from A till H, and we also had discussed about the ranks, which are represented by numbers from 1 to 8. So there are totally 8 files and 8 ranks. So if you can count all the squares, it will add up to 64 squares, and again 32 of them are light squares and 32 of them are dark squares. So yeah, that was a quick recap about what we had discussed earlier. In today's video, we will learn a little bit more about the chessboard, where all the action happens. So yes, let's jump into it. The chessboard can actually be divided into various parts. Like there is the white side of the board and the black side of the board. I think this is very simple, and you can guess what it means. So if you divide exactly the chessboard into two halves, so you get white side of the board. So I'll just arrange all the pieces. So it's very easy now. The side where the white pieces are known as the white, and the side where the black pieces are known as the black side of the board. Or to be more specific, I'm going to just draw a few red arrow marks, which represents the white side of the board, and similarly the green arrow mark which I'm drawing right now represents the black side of the board. Okay, that's very easy. Similarly, we can also divide the chessboard horizontally into two sides again. So I think you can guess what it can be called as. It's actually called as the king side of the board and the queen side of the board. So the king side of the board means the side from where the king is. The king side of the board, the ones which I am marking right now with green arrow mark, so these 4 files represent the king side of the board. It's easy, again the side where the king is, and similarly the queen side of the board is the side where the queen is, and this side I'm going to mark it with the red arrow marks. So again, this is very easy. So what I'm going to do right now is I'll have cleared the board. This side of the board is known as the white side of the board, and similarly this side is the black side of the board. same way. From E file to H file is known as the king side of the board, and the remaining files from A to D are known as the queen side of the board. This is very easy. The partition of the boards actually helps in the better understanding of the game. So you can sometimes decide on which side of the board you will have to attack, or on which side of the board you'll have to defend, or where is your weakness or where is your strength. So it will be easier in understanding of the board. We will learn about them in the next videos. And one more thing which I want to tell you in this video is the white side always starts the game. This is an international or universal rule. So white always starts first. I think we have learned almost everything about the chessboard right now, and in the next videos we will be discussing about how the pieces move. So we'll discuss about all the chessmen in the next video. Bye bye.